introducing cable features, standard requirements in network wiring and the equipment, and its relationship to other aspects of network development. It hones students' skills in building basic networks and providing them documentation, wiring structure, and basic service and process requirements repair the network. Course Learning Outcome, or CLO. CLO1. Experiment with technologies for transmission of information being delivered in computer network. CLO2. Construct physical connection of wiring structure and cable termination in computer network. CLO3. Demonstrate awareness towards entrepreneur skills in developing wired and wireless computer network connection.
Why is there no internet connection? Is it the same for you guys?
No, I have access.
My PC connection seems fine.
Mine too. What happened, Eva?
Something is wrong. My PC has no network connection. Can you guys help me figure out the problem?
Sure, let's check. Look, the patch cable is broken.
No wonder the PC has no internet connection.
Oh no, what are we going to do now?
Relax, Aisha. Don't freak out. Do you remember what Encik Aboy has taught us about the patch cable when we studied network?
How do you create a patch cable on your own? Before that, you need to prepare the equipments needed, which are 1. UTP cable stripper, 2. Crimping tool, 3. Wire cutter, 4. RJ45 connector, and last, cable tester. First, cut the cable to exact length. Then, insert cable into UTP stripper to the desired strip length. Strip off only as much cable jacket needed to properly terminate the pairs. 1 to 1.5 inch should be sufficient to terminate pairs. Holding the cable near the tool, rotate the tool around the cable several times. Then, slightly bend the outer jacket and manually remove the cut piece or slide the outer jacket with the stripper. Assemble the wire from the left to right and arrange the wire according to the standard following the color code. As next, bring all of the wires together as closely as possible. Hold the group wires together tightly between the thumb and the forefinger. Cut all of the wires at a perfect 90-degree angle from the cable. Half inch from the end of the cable jacket with a sharp cutter. With the connector pins facing up, carefully insert the wires into the connector. Apply a moderate amount of force in order to properly seat the wires. Insert the prepared connector assembled into the RJ45 slot in your crimping tool. Firmly squeeze the crimper's handles together until you can go any further. Release the handles and repeat this step to ensure a proper crimp. After the first termination is complete, repeat process on the opposite end of your cable. Get UTP cable tester, plug the cable into the tester. Turn on the tester and watch if any lights activate during the cycle. And that is how we make ourselves a new patch cable.
Okay, let me check the connection now.
Yes, it's working.
Yes, I'm back with internet connection. Thank you for helping me, guys.
That's okay, no problem.